Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to change your password for your SingX account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video since the process is quite straightforward. First of all, tap open your SingX application from your app drawer. Make sure that you're logged into your account, and once you are, tap on your little drop down at the top right hand corner where it shows you the human icon. In the pop-up displayed on the screen, tap Change Password. Now, you can change your password from this page. Enter your current password for your SingX account in the first text box. Once you are done, go to the New Password field and type in the new password you would like to set for your account. Remember that your password must contain at least 8 characters with at least one number, one lowercase letter, and one uppercase letter and a special character. After you are done creating a password, tap on Save, and you have now successfully changed your password for SingX. Next time you log into your account, you will now need to enter the newly created password. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.